Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix Windows new version update for the 23H2. This is a new version update, then if this update is available problem is showing to you will step by step follow this video. Okay, then first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Okay, go to click to the search bar, search the setting, click to enter, click to the system, scroll down to see the troubleshoot option. You will click to the other troubleshoot. Click to run the Windows update. Then wait for the few seconds. Detected the all any problems issues for the Windows update. So wait. Okay. This is a check the Windows update issues. Then detected it. Did you fix the problem? Okay. We click to then. This is my Windows for the automatically data using. Then I will close the Windows update. But you are there is any one other issues problem showing to you will connect to the second steps. Okay. Then second step for get open the CMD, then you will run this command. Okay, I will provide this command in this video description. You will copy to paste to the CMD. Click to search bar, search the CMD, then see the this. Click to the run as administrator. Click to you will type the Control plus V to enter to click to see the operation is successful. Okay, click to close. Then third step for run the Windows update in services. Okay, click to the search bar, search the services. You will click to open, scroll down to see the Windows update, then right click to properties. You will start up type for this is the change the art stop to you will get automatic, change the automatic, then services status for you will stop to get start. Okay, then click to apply, click to OK. Then finally, you will click to the Windows icon, click to the restart your PC or laptop to this problem is for solve it. After get open to get update the Windows. Okay. And anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.